gonna get through. Let's see. We've been stuck here for a bit now. Let's see. The problem is here. That's what the issue is. It's too close. Too close, brother. You're gonna run this thing over. I think it's already on the pavement. He's gonna go over. Can you see right there? Chief. Please, man. If this thing explodes, I'm not very far. Okay. Ish. Yo, brothers. Go for it. Ooh. The issue is right there. Right there. Right there. You see? And I feel like it also feels and looks sharp as well on the corner there. Now they're trying to remove the stuff on the other end. Yeah. So the other brother is trying. He's the delivery guy. Maybe we should go help him. Ooh, oh, he's bumping on the other side. Okay, let's see. He's gonna bump him. Second tire. It is super close. How's it doing on the other side? It's moving backwards again. This is so complicated. Driving a truck is so complicated. Okay, brothers. Come on, man. You can do this. I believe in you. I absolutely believe in you. Go for it. Okay, let's see. How's it doing this side? Come on, man. Why is the thing all of a sudden coming out blurry? There we go. It's much clearer now. I am the guy to take the video. I'm not gonna get out there. Technically, I should go visit it. I should go assist the guy. Otherwise, I'm gonna be seated here for a very long time. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna move forward. Just to avoid everyone else from standing in the road. I think maybe we should just go assist the brother.